Pepperl+Fuchs supports the Manufacturing X initiative with innovative identification technologies. Using a roller conveyor setup, we demonstrate how physical assets such as raw material, semi-finished goods, or finished products are identified. This involves assigning a unique identifier to each physical asset. High-performance optical code readers, or RFID systems, reliably read the object data along the production line. The information, such as the type of object, location, and position in our example, is transmitted to a higher-level data space via various interfaces. Identifying physical assets by unique identifiers is the basis for representation in virtual space, and therefore for increased transparency and resilience of supply chains.